can contain this, but you will get later. Where I have a question.
What's that?
With my family, while I was being around the temple room here, I spot lots of listeners and I was wondering that's daylight of Thailand.
I believe so. What's daylight? Maybe extinct landmark are there? No. I think they like our Indian guy. No. I think they like our food. About agreeing cloud, let's survey around the ruin. Shall we?
Oh, Ayutthaya, that's so far.
I see anywhere closer.
I suggest one more closer than you think.
We agree?
Let's go.
Let's go!
Let's go.
It's me, sir. I'm a student from KMUTNB doing research about Thailand. According to the foreigner photo book, are you in a hurry?
No, you can come.
Yep. If no, can I have some question with you? At this room.
Welcome.
Yep, sir. Is this the first time you have been to Thailand? If yes, why have you come to Thailand?
Why?
Why have you come to Thailand?
To see the attraction and visit the new place in the world. I love to visit new places.
Yup, you love to visit new place. This country, where have you been to?
I didn't understand.
Means how many
Countries?
landmarks have you been to in this country?
In this country.
4 or 5 Buddhas, and we went for the Grand Palace, which was closing. Probably we're gonna visit tomorrow.
Yup.
Okay, and we visited for a few malls as well. I saw, and then the Siam Square and rounding area like
And Madame Tussauds.
Madame Tussauds and Sea Life.
According to your answer, where do you like this?
What I like the best place?
Yep, the best place.
Actually, the best place, the historical area in Thailand is some nice area.
Yup.
The temples.
The temples.
Yup. Would you like to visit our country again if you have a chance?
Where I want to visit again?
Would you like to visit our country again if you have a chance?
Maybe islands.
Probably. Samui.
The islands too.
Would you like to visit our country again?
When?
What would you like to repeat to visit in this country?
What I would like to visit in new country, the Grand Palace, I guess. It's nice one.
Yup. Initiative. How do you describe Thailand?
Thailand is rich of historical area. People that are very popular and they are very friendly. Okay, but I wish really they could clean it more, to take care about the cleaning of the area.
Yup.
It's rich and can be expecting for more of tourist people, but just you need to comparing with the cleaning area, and if you compare it with Malaysia and with everywhere, you need just to take care about that. But Thailand somehow is rich and people that are very friendly.
Yup. Thank you very much for information.
Hello, my name is Kanto, and my friend.
Hello, Kento.
My friend Jack.
Hello, Jack.
I will interview you about Thailand. สวัสดีครับ
Sure.
Why you come to Thailand?
So I came to Thailand for vacation.
What is your name?
Discover. What is your? My name is Nicolas.
Nicolas.
Nicolas, yes. Yes.
Okay. Where you from?
France.
Friends. Oh. Why you have come to Thailand?
So for vacation and visit Bangkok mainly and maybe Phuket after.
How long you stay in Thailand?
1 month.
1 month. Oh, wow. So we maybe travel to many places in Thailand.
Yeah, visiting a bit of Bangkok and then I'll go probably surfing in Phuket a bit.
What is the best place
Best
in Thailand? The best
place?
place, best place.
I think Bangkok is probably the most famous and best place.
Why you think that?
But it's the capital city, so with the most people to meet, most foreign people.
Okay. Have you been seeing the problem about traffic in Thailand?
Traffic, yes. In Bangkok, the car traffic is pretty heavy. Well, it wasn't too bad for now. I mainly use the BTS SkyTrain, so I am not in the traffic.
Oh, exactly. What do you feel about Thailand people?
Good so far. People are friendly, and the food is nice so far.
Sometimes what is your favorite food? You know,
What is?
your favorite food?
So far it was the thing with chicken, cashew nuts, rice, and vegetables.
In one adjective or one word, how do you describe Thailand or Thai people? One adjective or one word.
Relaxed.
Relax.
Yeah, relaxed.
Relax. สบายชิว
Seems relaxing.
Okay. Thank you for interview.
Thank you.
Okay, good evening. My name is Ben.
My name is Dave.
Arianna.
Luca.
Where are you from?
Italy.
Italy.
Why have you come to Thailand?
Yeah, to see the beauties, so the culture and both cultural aspect sites and also the nature, the sea. So we are going to stay here 2 weeks, so we're able to see also Bangkok and also the other places, so Phuket and the others.
In Thailand, what place do you like most?
Right, yesterday, so.
Yes, I think Bangkok and this part, so the old city. We tried to see the Royal Palace, but we didn't manage because it was already closed. But I think we are going back tomorrow. But yes, this part is I can't understand much because this religion is not. I'm not sure. I don't understand many aspects of Buddhism. But the atmosphere and the people here gives me a lot of energy.
Would you tell me about the Thai people?
You are very kind, very very kind.
Very kind,
Yes,
very peaceful. Very,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
What the place the most favorite place?
The favorite place. We arrived yesterday, so we haven't had the opportunity to see much.
Tomorrow
But,
we're going to visit Uttaya.
Yes, Ayutthaya.
Oh, it's been Ayutthaya. I go to Ayutthaya many days. In last week. Okay. I suggest you to travel at Wat Phanan-Chern. Wat Phanan-Chern and Paraswapam. It is the good place.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So maybe you can leave me a ticket
Oh,
with the
okay.
names.
Yeah.
Okay, because I think I'm not going to remember.
Would you to tell me about the Thai people?
Yeah, you're very clever and you are very open to foreign people. So you are very helpful and you seems to recognize when some people are in difficulty or maybe not understanding where is it and where he has to go, and try to help him to understand better the situation. So I'm really nice people, and it was a surprise for me, and I really enjoy it. So yeah, you are very kind and very sweet. So Thai people is okay.
In adjective, how do you describe Thailand in one word?
One word.
For Thailand.
Welcoming. Yeah. And fascinating. So fascinating, two words. Welcoming and fascinating. Okay.
Okay.
But I hope you come back to visit Thailand again.
Yes.
Probably no, because now the weather is not.
It was not okay because today it was raining, and I think also the next day because we are in the monsoon. So I think that later we are going back to see the other parts, maybe the northern part of Thailand. We are not going to visit because we have no time, so 2 weeks. But maybe in the future, maybe next year or maybe in 5 years we are going back. But I'm sure I'll be back. Okay.
Okay, thank you for the interview.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
Bye. Thank you.